Hello everyone and welcome back to another brand new video at Lazi-Low Collectibles, and this time on the turntable we have another Lesney Matchbox for restoration. So let's put this on the bench as well and let's see what we can do with this one. So after the turntable, welcome everyone back to the channel. I hope you have had a good day, or will have a good day if you watch this in the morning. So our next car is a Ford Zodiac convertible made in England by Lesney, and this is number 39. And as you can see, I didn't even drill this one. It's just like this. So that's pretty basic. It's the base with the seats, and surprisingly we got the driver, which is really weird because they normally go missing. And this is the body. And what's good is I have the windscreen frame, which is always missing. As you can see, I have another one in a better condition with the driver, but the windscreen frame is missing. But this is a better condition car than this one. This somebody painted it, plus is rusty as well, as you can see. So I might use the base from this one, I'm not sure yet, we'll see. I think what we can see is how does it look after the paint stripping. So I need to be very careful with the windscreen frame, as it's fragile. But yeah, I will do some nice details on the car. We even got the hook on that one as well, I think. Yes, we do. So I will be putting this into the paint stripper, and we'll come back with the details. Nearly ready this one as well. So before we assemble the car, which is going to be very easy and very quick, Let's see what we done. So this is the interior slash base. I did hand painted the seats and the little figure, and I cleared all of it. I refurbished the wheels, put them back on, and this is the chassis. Added some details. I think it looks all right. So as Tommy Cooper say, bottle glass, so chassis, base chassis. If you know Tommy Cooper, you know what I'm saying. So I will put this together. I just need to put a little bit glue on, which I think I will add some first on the rivet post, and then I slide the front in and just drop that down, and I will add a little bit more here as well, and that will dry clear. So when it's dry, we'll put this on the turntable. So just a quick reminder what we started with. This is our Matchbox Lesney Ford Zodiac before restoration. As you can see, heavily overpainted and very rusty as well, chipped. And this is what we ended up with. Ta-da! So this is the fresh new paint on the car. Updated interior, updated wheels, paint, detailed, put it on. So I think it looks nice. Here we go, another Matchbox restored. I hope you did like this on the turntable as well. And it's a good roller, as much as a old metal wheeled Lesney rolls. So thank you for watching this episode, guys. I hope you did enjoy this one, and if yes, please give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and please leave comments down below. What do you think of this car or my other restorations I've done previously? So have a nice Friday evening, guys. Enjoy your weekend. Thank you for popping by, and see you next Friday with a brand new video. So cheers, guys. Take care, and bye bye now.